Hello everyone, welcome to DataViz tutorial. So in today's video, we will see how we can add animation to our visual. That is how we can create an animated chart or an animated visual. So in the screen, as you can see, I have a normal line chart here. This line chart is showing me different discount values for different time periods based on month starting from December 2019 to December 2020. So I have this normal line chart. Now I have to make this animated line chart so that I can show the changes, that how the changes have been occurred in my discount values in this time period. So how I can do it? For this I will make use of the pages shelf. What it will do? In the pages shelf I will have to add a date type data field, or any data field which is of date type. So I have here my order date. I will add this field to pages shelf. So what pages shelf will do? It will create multiple pages for all the data points, and those pages it will show as an animation. Okay, so now as I have added my order date, by default it is in year. I want to make it in month, continuous month. So I will select month here, and right hand pane you will see that you will get a dialog box related to your pages shelf. So this is the controls of your pages shelf, that how you want to control this animation. So as you can see that this is the scale where you can drag your pages. You can see different pages on this. So I have selected month, so I have different month pages here, and here also in the drop down I can see that these all pages are there. I can use this arrow to go to different pages and backward arrow to go back to the pages. Also this is the uh, play option. So with this it will be backward play, and with this it will be forward play, and with this it will stop. Similarly this is speed control. So first one is the lowest speed, second one is the normal speed, and then third one is the fast speed. And then we have show history controls. That is if you want to show the history pages lines also. So for that you can tick mark on show history and you can format the history controls. So for the line chart I will just play it a forward play. So you can see that your dot is moving for different years, right? And in the show history you are currently your show history marks are not visible. So currently it is placed on mark. You are able to see the marks, but if suppose you want to see the lines also, how these dots are connected, for that you will have to select trails, but this trails will not be visible. As you can see, it is not visible right now. So for that you will have to select circle in the mark type. Currently it is a line type mark, but to show the trails you will have to select circle type mark. When you will select circle type mark, you will be able to see the trails, that how this line is moving in different months. So now I will just do forward play. Now you can see that how our line is moving. So this formatting you can do, you can choose to see that how you want to see the history marks, in which color, in which shade. So in the here I have got the trails option now. So I will select on both. I want to see marks also, I want to see trails also. Marks are these dotted lines which I am seeing on all the months. So I want to see marks also, and this is the formatting of marks card. So I have to suppose format it in orange color, and how much I want to fade it. I want to fade it with how much intensity. I can choose that from this slider. So I will choose to show a faded dots in the history. And trails, how I want to show the trails. I want to show the trails in this light gray shade. Can select another shade also. This shade is also fine. I can select the color of the trails also. Now what I will do, I will go back to my start of the page. Now I will start my animation, forward play. So now you will see that it is showing in different months, that how my values has moved, whether it has moved up, whether it has moved down. The lowest discount was there in February 2020, highest discount was there in November 2020. So with this animation you can depict that how your values has moved here. Like this, you can make use of this pages shelf and create an animation. Now, the thing which is to be noted down here, that in this line chart currently, I have added my title here with a different custom name. So I am not able to see the pages name here. I want to see the page name also. So what I will do, I will double click on this and I will add my pages name. So I will put colon here, and from the insert I will select page name here. I will click on OK. Now when you will see, when as your months will be moving, your name on the title will also change. So currently it is for February 2020. I will do it forward play. It will go to March 2020, April, May, June, July. Like this it will start moving. So like this, you can add your page's name also on the title, so that on the title it is visible that currently on which page, on which point the value is there at present. So for that you can use titles also. Now suppose I have a different chart to different visual here. I have this multiple fields visual here, and I want to show animation with these fields also. So in these fields my date column is not there. I have not added any date column in these fields. I have subcategory, I have sales, and I have discount, profit, quantity with the line chart. Bar chart is showing the sum of sales, and it is all are divided by subcategories. So this is my visual. It is showing me difference between sales, profit, discount, quantity for all the subcategories. Date value is not added here, but I want to make this as animated chart for the timeline of date for different quarters. So for that what I will do, I will add my order date to pages, and from here I will choose quarter of order date. I will click on OK. Now currently I can see this is a discrete quarter. So I will select my continuous quarters here. I want for continuous quarters. So now I have my values as 2017 quarter 1 to 2020 quarter 4. All the values are there here, and in the title also. But if my title is a custom title, I have added custom title. For that I will have to custom add the page name also. But if my title is by default the sheet name, then by default page name will also occur itself. So here it was by default the sheet name, so page name has also occurred itself. So currently it is 2017 quarter 1. Let's remove everything else. I want just the page name here. I will click on OK. Now I will do just the forward play. It will go from 2017 quarter 1 to 2017 quarter 2. So I will do a forward play here, and I will lower the speed of this card so I can easily depict that how the values are changing between all the quarters. So I will click on forward play now. So in quarter 17, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, then 2018, how this has moved. Now the same animation I can do for different field also. So here I had taken a timeline field, I had taken a date field. But suppose I want to show this animation for different regions, for different locations. So for that what I will do, I will drag my location field to pages shelf. So here I have my regions, and I can see my different regions are the central, east, south, west. For all the regions I will be able to see the animation. So currently it is central region. I will play it, and now it is showing me the values for east region. Then it will show me the values for south region, and then it will show me the values for west region. So like this I can use a different field also other than the timeline field, other than the date field. I can use a different field also to show my animation. So I can play around this pages shelf to animate my visual, and I can animate it in any way. So as you can see in my in my current visual, there was no aspect of the region, that how my values are performing, how my sales and profit are performing in different regions. But I can add this aspect in the pages shelf. With the help of animation, I can see that how the values has changed in different regions. From the drop down also, here I can select that if I want to see for just for central, in the central region, what are my values, what are my sales, what are my profit. Then going to east region, what are my values. Then going to south region, what are my values. So like this I can make use of animation and use another field to animate that visuals and show our values, that how our values are changing for different categories, for different regions, or for different time period. So I can use any field in this pages shelf. So that's it for today. If you have any queries, you can simply ask in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to the channel till now, do subscribe it for more such videos. Now we'll meet next time. Till then, take care and happy learning.